Need to stop someone from contacting you on Instagram? In this guide, you'll learn block an account in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for privacy or to avoid unwanted interactions, the process is quick and beginner friendly. Launch the Instagram app and sign in if needed. Find the account you want to block by using the search tab, opening your direct messages, or tapping their username from a comment, post, or follower list. Once you've found them, open their profile to continue. On the person's profile page, tap the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This menu contains several account management options, including the ability to block, restrict, or report the account. From the menu, tap Block. Instagram may give you two choices: block only this account or block this account and any new accounts they create. The second option offers extra protection if you don't want the person contacting you from another account. Tap Block once more to confirm. Instagram will instantly block the account. After that, the user won't be able to view your profile, see your posts or stories, send you messages, or follow you unless you decide to unblock them in the future. That's all it takes to block someone on Instagram. It's a fast and effective way to protect your privacy, avoid unwanted interactions, and enjoy a safer social media experience.